Welcome to Crime Core. Today we explore the sad case of Robin Myers. Let's dive in. Decatur, Alabama. In 1991, the brutal murder of 69-year-old Ludie Mae Tucker shocked the Decatur community. She was found stabbed to death in her home, prompting an intense investigation. Robin Rocky Myers, a neighbor living across the street, was arrested and charged with capital murder. In 1994, despite the jury recommending life imprisonment without parole, the presiding judge exercised Alabama's judicial override system, permitting judges to impose death sentences contrary to jury recommendations, and sentenced Myers to death. This system has since been abolished. Notably, no physical evidence linked Myers to the crime scene, and the victim did not identify him as her assailant before her death. Additionally, Myers, who has an intellectual disability, missed a critical appeal deadline in 2003 due to attorney abandonment, limiting his avenues for legal recourse. In the years following his conviction, Myers maintained his innocence, and concerns about the integrity of his conviction grew. A juror from the original trial publicly advocated for clemency, asserting Myers' innocence and highlighting the lack of physical evidence connecting him to the crime. Furthermore, a key prosecution witness recanted their testimony, adding to the doubts surrounding the case. On February 28, 2025, Governor Kay Ivey commuted Myers' death sentence to life imprisonment without the possibility of parole. This marked the first time Governor Ivey exercised her commutation power since taking office in 2017. In her statement, she acknowledged the gravity of capital punishment and cited the unresolved questions regarding Myers' guilt as factors influencing her decision. Governor Ivey emphasized that while she continues to support capital punishment, the presence of significant doubts necessitated halting the execution. The decision elicited mixed reactions. Attorney General Steve Marshall expressed astonishment and disappointment, underscoring his belief in Myers' guilt and criticizing the governor's lack of direct communication regarding the commutation. Conversely, advocates for criminal justice reform and opponents of the death penalty lauded the decision, viewing it as a cautious and humane response to potential judicial errors. As Myers transitions to life imprisonment, the Tucker family continues to seek closure. Governor Ivey expressed hope that the commutation would provide them with some measure of peace, acknowledging the profound and lasting impact of Ludie Mae Tucker's tragic death on her loved ones and the broader community. What are your thoughts on this mark in history? Comment, share, and follow for more true crime stories.